So I used that studio rack thing. So I'm going to take all the delay and everything else off. And I was trying to pick here which kind of drive plugin I wanted. I also put one of the Portex after the vocals. I had the low frequency on 100 hertz and kind of boosted a bit, but attenuated a bit more, and I didn't do anything with the top end. But yeah, so if I solo this one, there's no plugins here, so all we're going to hear now is the Portex.
Ever were they thinking when they let you on the street with fire in your eyes and lead boots on your feet?
So I'm just taking out some of that bottom end of it.
The cocktail you've been drinking couldn't taste that sweet.
And like before, when I did that comparison, I can compare between different drives, different sort of drive plugins, and also have this one as my clean one. So if I go to here, I've got the Butch Vig vocal plugin.
But you shout and you scream, grind your
All I've done is just turn the...
stamp your feet from deep within the cave.
So that's one option. There's another option here where I've got that NLS channel, which I used. Hello, P-Whip, how you doing? Nice to see you. So I've got this NLS channel here, which I used earlier for the room mic, which is, you know, gives me different sort of preamps. And effectively, if I click the mic, it's like a line level signal going to a mic channel, and it distorts in a very nice way.
That you made for yourself.
Obviously, I could turn this up.
That you've gotta be free.
But I don't really need to. Just putting the mic on is enough. And then I've got another third option here, which I used the CLA Mixhub light, which sounds great. But if you watch my video from the other day where I entitled "The CLA Mixhub Made Me Depressed," you'll see my criticisms about it. But, you know, all I'm using it here for is to try and get a bit of distortion by turning up this mic preamp thing here, and you can hear that it seems to...
In your eyes, and lead boots on your feet. The cocktail you've been drinking couldn't taste that sweet, but you shout and you scream, grind your teeth and stamp your feet from deep within the cave.
Well, instantly I'm going to dismiss this this Butch Vig one, because, I mean, I might have to mess around with the EQ and stuff, but the type of distortion is just not what I'm looking for on there. Let's have a look, see what other kind of distortion. There's this thing called the CLA effects, which I really enjoy, which is one of the crystalled algae signature plugins. And again, you've got a top and a drive, and it's got some reverb and stuff that I'll just turn off. But I want to see what it sounds like through there.
Ever were they thinking when they let you on the street with fire in your eyes and lead boots on your feet? The cocktail you've been drinking couldn't taste that sweet, but you shout and you scream, grind your teeth and stamp your feet from deep within the cage that you made for yourself. That you've gotta be free.
So that there sounds a bit too middly and distorted, but there's things about it that I like. To me, these two here, the NLS channel or the Mixhub Lite, are kind of driving in a similar way. I know I'm just saying there's a red mic knob there, and on this one there's like a red drive knob, and I've got a feeling that there's probably under the hood similar software doing everything, because I can't hear a huge difference between these.
Let you on the street with fire in your eyes.
And I think just purely because of the CLA Mixhub being a total arse when it comes to processing power, I think I'm going to lose that one. I don't want to lose all of it. Remove plugin. There we go. Right. And I've got the clean one there, which I want to dismiss. So it's kind of between these two at the moment.
Whatever were they thinking when they let you on the street with fire in your eyes and lead boots on your feet? The cocktail you've been drinking couldn't taste that sweet.
Right, there's things I like about both of them. So this is the great thing about this sound rack, is I can have both of them. And I can have it running in parallel. So I'm going to try and have both the distortion from the CLA effects, and I'm also going to try this kind of channel strip drive.
Whatever were they thinking when they let you on the street with fire in your eyes and lead boots on your feet?
With the NLS channel a bit higher,